Welcome to another session, still on personal effectiveness, and today we want to discuss one of the common myths around multitasking. And I have a little exercise that I want to perform, and I invite all of you to try and perform the same type of exercise to convince yourself as to whether you need to focus on one thing at a time, finish it and move to the next, or you try to do many things at the same time in order to finish early. The exercise we're going to do is very interesting. So we are writing the alphabets from A to Z. And then beneath each alphabet, we are writing the figures 1 to 26. Okay. The first run, we'll write A to Z before we start writing the numbers 1 to 26. And we'll time ourselves as to exactly how much time I require to do that. Then, in the second run, we will write A1, B2, C3, D4, in the spirit of multitasking, trying to do many things at the same time to see how long it takes you to finish. The challenge we have most of the time is that when we believe that we are very competent at doing something or experienced enough that we don't struggle with it, we believe that we can have a number of them going at the same time. And this little exercise would demonstrate to us how competent we are at writing the alphabets and the figures and the impact of trying to multitask on them, exactly how it plays out. So I'm ready to start, and my time starts now. And my time was 41:36. 41:36. So I'm going to do the same exercise again. And this time round, I will do A1, B2, C3. So I put my time here, 41:36. Okay, getting ready for the next phase. Am I ready? And my time starts now. Stop. Yeah. And my time for this one is 57:95. 57:95. So when I tried it for myself, it's clear that when I try to mix up the alphabets with the figures, it actually takes me longer time. And that is the concept of multitasking. It has nothing to do with my ability to write figures quickly or to write alphabets quickly. But me being that singular faculty trying to do both has tend to make it more difficult. Try it out yourself and see how fast you can make it on the second run. Thank you. So, from my experience, a very simple yet very interesting exercise. It was clear that when I focused on one thing, although I'm competent at both, at writing figures and at writing alphabets, when I focused to finish writing my alphabets before I got into the process of writing my figures, it actually took me less time to finish compared to trying to write my figures alongside the alphabets. This was my experience. I invite you to try it and get your own experience of it as well. For me, the little lesson in here is to say that regardless of how competent we are on many different tasks, we tend to be more efficient if we focus on finishing one task before another. That is using your singular set of faculties. And this is quite different and separate from a project management setting where certain activities need to happen in parallel. Those parallel activities then require different resources and different people to run it. For you as an individual and your personal effectiveness, a focus on one task at a time improves your effectiveness. Thank you.